As you can see, starting off with the exterior of the all-new Honda City, it is longer, wider and lower in height, giving the overall a sense of advanced and dynamic sleek cabin motion. Not forgetting to add on, the nose is taken and strengthened to enhance the strength and presence. As for the side, it is inspired by the katana blade motion, which emphasizes the horizontal stretch of the sedan. Maintaining the Honda's identity, the LED headlights and the daytime running lights gives an overwhelming sense of sophistication and presence. Guess what? The beauty of the car doesn't stop here. The Z-wrap around the rail tail lamp all the way to the boot lid gives prominence to the whole look of the car, especially the dynamic rear fenders area, emphasizing a wider stance with a distinct look at a glance. Did you know that the boot space has a capacity of 519 liters? Which is a really good space for you to put your personal belongings on the go. And before I touch on the interior, here's a new feature that you would like to find out more. And what am I referring to? That is the remote start engine that is also available in the aircon. With a click like this, you can actually start your engine from afar and cool the interior before you start driving. I guess this is the perfect function for a weather like this in Singapore. And moving on, I would like to touch a little more about the rims. Now, for the RS, you can see that it's made up of 16-inch diamond cut rims. Okay, so it gives the car a really sporty and polished look. For the SV, you can expect a 15-inch multi-spoke alloy rims that enhances the snazzy appeal of the SV. And yes, I guess it is now time for us to move into the interior, which I'm really excited to show you, by the way. Oops, let me just on it. Head on in, check this out. Now, I have to say, the all-new City has a space that is more refreshed than before, all thanks to the man maximum and machine minimum concept. Look at this. And did you know that you are always on Honda's mind? All these premium materials are crafted especially for you consumers. We are using the soft padded cushion to give a soft touch and also high quality appearance to the whole car. And for the RS right next to me is a mix of suede and leather for the seats to elevate comfort. And just in case if you're fetching someone that's really tall, don't worry, because we do have ample space for the leg room. Check this out. I can stretch out my leg just like that. And onto the dashboard. Right here, as you can see, the dashboard has a clear and uncluttered design, which makes it really comfortable and gives a really relaxing vibe when you are driving. And what's more important, that it shows a good visibility to the road. On the steering wheel here, there are also audio control switches, cruise control and Bluetooth hands-free telephone system. Starting the City is now at a breeze with the one push start button. Moving on, we do have the speedometer that comes with ambience lighting. For the RS, it comes in red, and for SV in white. These are colors that are really close to our heart. The 7 touchscreen infotainment system makes it convenient for the driver and user. It features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all these are included, even your Google Map and Waze, which you can use it to navigate your journey. Finally, for the safety and performance, you can expect safety features such as emergency stop signal, hill start assist, multi-angle rear view camera, excellent collision safety performance with a 5-star rating by ASEAN NCAP. There are 5 colors for you to select: crystal black pearl, lunar silver metallic, modern steel metallic, platinum white pearl, and ignite red metallic exclusively for the RS variant.